Want to turn your favourite plant into a natural air purifier? Meet Power Drops, the easiest way to supercharge your plants to clean the air in your home. Inside your Power Drops kit, you'll find everything you need. Monthly pouches, a beaker, and a stirrer. Take out 1 pouch of Power Drops for later, and store the remaining pouches in the fridge or freezer to keep them fresh and ensure optimal performance. Remember, the cooler the better. Power Drops work with almost any plant, big or small. Just make sure your plant isn't a cactus or succulent, and the planter is at least 5 inches in diameter. Before applying the Power Drops, check the soil. It should feel humid but not soggy. If it feels dry, water your plant lightly first. Now, it's time to prepare the magic. Open 1 pouch of Power Drops, just 1 per month, and pour it into the beaker. Add 3 ounces of water up to the marked line and mix until fully dissolved. Once the mixture is ready, pour it slowly onto the soil, spreading it evenly around the base of the plant. Let it soak in fully for best results. Repeat this simple process each month to refresh the air purifying bacteria and maintain optimal performance. And that's it. Your plant is enhanced with Power Drops and will start cleaning the air from harmful pollutants. Now you can enjoy cleaner, fresher air thanks to the Power Drops. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram for more tips and updates.